Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, angle closure glaucoma or closed angle glaucoma, right? In this before this, the first stage is actually the patient might land up into first primary angle closure suspect, or the patient can land into primary angle closure. Okay, what is primary angle closure suspect? In primary angle closure suspect, there will be normal intraocular pressure, there will be normal visual fields, and there will be normal optic disc also. Whereas in primary angle closure, there will be increased intraocular pressure due to the angle closure, but there will be normal optic disc and there will be normal visual field. Whereas in angle closure glaucoma, all of them, that is, there will be increased intraocular pressure, there will be defects in the optic disc, and also normal visual field is also seen. So these are the three types of angle closure glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.